let me dance away. Let me dance away forever, baby. What's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed my Cameron Winter impression. Today we're doing Cobra by Geese. Great band, great song. I'm bringing here to you today a nice beginner-friendly acoustic version of it so you can play it and sing it and have a good time. There's just this solo part and a couple chords and that's it. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so let's start with that main riff / solo type thing. As I forgot to mention in the intro, we're using a pick and we're in standard tuning. So for you beginners out there, the hardest part of this is going to be getting the strumming down, okay? Because on the left hand, we're just sliding up and down the 6th string. But getting the right rhythm with our strumming and hitting the strings at the right time is going to be a little difficult. I would say conceptually what you're doing is you're going down, up the whole time. Down, 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 down. Okay, do you hear that tempo? But you only want to hit it sometimes. So instead of actually hitting the strings every down up, you dodge them sometimes. So it's like. But if you look at my hand while I'm doing all that, it's going up and down, but it's only hitting sometimes. But if you can't do that, it's okay. You just have to plan the strums one by one, and it'll grow it for you. So let me demonstrate the whole thing slowly, and then we can work through it one by one. So we're starting with our ring finger on the 7th fret of the 6th string from the top. Okay, so I kind of did that there where I just touched it every single time. That's a great place to start. Okay, so let's do it bit by bit. We start with our ring finger on the 7th fret of the 6th string. And going down, down, up. We're putting our pointer finger on the 5th fret. Okay, then we're going up, and switching. Okay, then we're going down, switching to 5th again, up, down, 3rd, up, down. Okay. All right. Then we're gonna go up again on the 3rd fret. And then down, up, open. Then down with it on the 3rd fret. Then up, open. Sorry. Then we go up, down, up, down, up, down. I'll do your ring finger now. Up, down. Then we go up, down, up, and go back to the 5th for 1 down, up. Okay. All right, so that's the main riff. You can do that 2 times, and then we'll start playing chords and singing. Well, there's the verse and the chorus, so I'll teach you the verse because it's first. So the first chord you need is a C major. Very common chord. We have ring finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret, middle finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, pointer finger, 5th string, 1st fret. Get that figured out. Okay, I'm gonna teach you the 2nd chord now too, which is a D. So that's gonna be pointer finger, 4th string to the top, 2nd fret, ring finger, 5th string, 3rd fret, middle finger, 6th string, 2nd fret. Okay, so the strumming pattern between these two is going to be down, down, up, and switch. Okay, down, down, up, switch, down, up, switch, down, up, switch, down. Okay, the next chord we have is a G, very common as well. Middle finger, 3rd fret, 1st string, pointer finger, 2nd fret, 2nd string, ring and pinky, 5th and 6th strings, 3rd fret. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, E minor. And another common chord, pointer finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret. And sometimes you can keep your ring and pinky down over here from the G. Doesn't really affect it. So you can. It's great. So we're at C. Let me dance to G. To E minor. Back to C. To D. To G. To E minor. C. Okay, so you do that C, D, G, E minor 3 times in a row. Okay. Then on the 4th time around, we change things up. So we do C. Let me dance. And instead of going to E minor, we go to A minor. New chord. Let me dance. Then we go back to E minor. Wait forever. C. Okay, so we kind of get back to home base. So this A minor right here is middle finger, 3rd string to the top, 2nd fret, ring finger, 4th string to the top, 2nd fret, pointer finger, 5th string to the top, 1st fret. So. Dance away forever, baby. Back to C after doing E. So I think the strumming for that is the same. Let me try it out. Dance away. Let me dance away forever, baby. Yeah, it's the same. And then C, you should be ashamed. You should be ashamed. Then you do the same thing. You should be ashamed, only daughter. Okay, then we get to the chorus. Okay, we're switching back to a C, and instead of doing the whole loops, we're switching C to D now, and back and forth. So, you should be Shem's only daughter, whoever he's got his hand, you can get it on your own, you'll see. Okay, and at that C, you can go back to the riff, which is really over the G chord. So like, if instead of playing the riff, you could just play the G chord. You'll see. Okay, and that fits perfectly with the song. And then yeah, he does the verse again. It's all the same chords. Baby, let me wash your feet forever. He does the same thing, and then he goes for the chorus. Whoever he's got his hand, you can get it on your own. You can get it on your own. You can make the Cobra dance, but not me. And there you go. That's basically the whole song. I hope you enjoyed the video. If I added some value to your day, please drop me a like. If you like this underground type stuff, if you're a fan of Geese, subscribe. I'll make more. Also comment what you want done. I do them. And yeah, have a great day.